Welcome, in this video I will show you how to customize home screen wallpapers on Motorola Moto G10. Start by holding down your finger on an empty space of your device's home screen. Go to Wallpapers, then you can either select the wallpapers from your photos, you can select default wallpapers, some theme wallpapers like cityscapes, live textures, landscapes, anything. Then you can check the view both on the home screen and on the lock screen of your device. So to select a different wallpaper, just select one of the themes or your own photos and then tap on the wallpaper that you like. To apply, tap OK, and then select where you want to set this wallpaper. So it can be either home screen or lock screen or both. And that's it. The wallpaper is changed. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.